I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your macOS version. This matters because newer Excel respects system language. Open System Preferences, then Language and Region. Click plus to add the language you need and drag it to the top of the list to set priority. Once done, log out or restart. This forces macOS to register the change. Make sure you close Excel before continuing, otherwise Excel may keep the old language in memory. These steps set the system-level foundation Excel relies on. Once Excel is closed and macOS recognizes the new language, open Excel and go to Excel right arrow Preferences, then Language. On some builds it appears under Tools right arrow Language. You can set editing language separately from Display and Help, which is useful if you want menus in one language and proofing in another. If Office requests proofing tools or a language pack, follow the prompts to download and install them. After installation, restart Excel so the new proofing dictionaries and UI take effect. You finish by verifying that ribbons, menus, and proofing match your chosen language. Test spell check in a sample worksheet. If nothing changed, make sure Office is up to date, confirm the Mac OS language order, and reinstall any Office language pack you added. If problems persist, sign out of Office, restart your Mac, and sign back in. This resets account link settings. One key tip: if only proofing is missing, installing the correct proofing tools usually resolves it without reinstalling the whole app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.